In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dispute an error on your NerdWallet credit report using the TransUnion dispute link. If you've spotted something on your credit report that doesn't look right, like an incorrect account, suspicious activity, or a fraudulent entry, it's important to address it as soon as possible. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to go from reviewing your report in NerdWallet to launching the dispute process directly with TransUnion. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to nerdwallet.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account so you can access your personal credit information without confusion. After you're logged in, look for the credit scores section. This is where NerdWallet gives you access to your credit details and related reporting information. From there, open your credit report. Take your time on this page and review the information carefully. You're looking for any item that appears inaccurate or unfamiliar. This could be an account you don't recognize, information that was reported incorrectly, or a potentially fraudulent entry. It's a good idea to read each item closely so you can be sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Once you've identified the incorrect item or fraudulent account entry, find the option labeled How to Dispute next to that item. This link is designed to help you take action quickly by connecting you to the dispute process associated with the credit bureau reporting that information. When you click How to Dispute, it will launch the direct dispute process with TransUnion. At that point, you'll be moved into TransUnion's dispute flow where you can begin formally reporting the issue. Be sure to follow the prompts carefully and review the item details again before submitting anything. Accuracy matters here, because the clearer your dispute is, the easier it may be for the issue to be investigated properly. And that's it. You've gone from opening Chrome and signing in to NerdWallet to locating your credit report, identifying the incorrect or fraudulent item, and starting the dispute directly with TransUnion. If you're working through credit report errors,